Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol COUV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a very nice way to end the week. The price, and let me actually squeeze down the chart here to offer up a bit more context. So the overall trend, still very, very healthy. Yeah, this pullback here, not the most exciting thing, but you looked at where it pulled back to and has now bottomed out before starting to work its way back upwards. And again, when you're just focused on more so the bigger picture point of view, so you look at the lows from where the most recent pullback bottomed out, and then you look at some of these past lows being down here and then even down there. And if you envision each of these as stair steps, well, then what do you have? Well, from the overall Peroni view, you now very clearly still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So, I mean, there's still more work to do, right? If this overall trend is going to continue, it's got to, obviously break to new highs. But as far as the pullback is concerned, like I said, it's bottomed out and can continue on up, because as the price falls, it always becomes a valid concern of, okay, is this really just a pullback, or is this going to be some reversal where it just keeps on going and keeps on going? But we got that question answered. Not a reversal, was just a pullback, and up it's gone. So that remains, the next couple of key areas of support moving forward. The first one being the ideal level. I mean, say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best moving forward? And that would be if the price stays above that purple line there. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below there, does not mean the entire chart's destroyed for all the reasons already discussed, because really you still have that 19.5-cent mark down there too. So even if the price were to break down below that purple line, as long as the price stays above 19.5, then overall, in my opinion at least, I would still consider the overall trend very healthy. As far as areas of resistance are concerned moving forward, first key area of resistance to keep a close eye on, going to be right up here at the 35-cent mark. And then after 35, next key level after that, right up there around that area, which sits at the 41.5-cent mark. So keep an eye on those couple of areas moving forward. But all in all, the uptrend continues, so it'll be very interesting to see how the next week plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.